go start menu, click on the setting. After then you go apps, website, default apps you click. Right side we come and scroll down a little bit. You will see web browser. You click here. Which one you like to keep your default browser? Just in the click and select. It's okay. Go to start menu, click on the setting. Click apps. After that you go apps and feature clicks. Select app which one you want to uninstall, just in the click. Which one you need, just keep. Which one you don't need, just remove from list. Just select and remove unnecessary app or program. It don't the keep your PC. Just see, click like this. If you want to uninstall, just click uninstall. Okay, you can remove like this all. Okay, finish. Enable dark mode or any other color. So you go start menu, setting, click setting, then you go personalization, then you click on the color. You can select, choose your color. You can keep light, dark, custom, whatever you like. You just if you like to custom, you click custom and choose your color. Otherwise, if you want dark, keep dark. If you want light, light. Just in the keep, click OK. It will be changed. Okay. Safeguard your privacy. Go start menu, click on the setting, click on the privacy. You see all on. This all section should be off. 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 This also off. Another two also off. You should keep it off. Okay. Enable storage sense. Go start menu, click the setting. After setting will be open, then you click the system. On the left side you see storage. You click here. After this storage is on, it should be on. Then storage sense or run it. You click here. This here during low free disk space, you keep should this setting. Temporary file, here check it. Delete file in my recycle bin, if they have been, they are all for over 13 days, equivalent 13 days. Delete files, my download folders, if you haven't been, open it for more than and never. You can here change never, you keep here never. Scroll down and driver option never. The continental become online if you only not in the open, is more than keep never. And free space now, you keep it clean. Clean, okay. Now change display scaling. Again go start menu, then click select settings, then go system and display. You see here scale and layout. Change the size of text, apps and other items. You see here 100% recommended. Recommended. If you are writing recommended 100%, you keep it 100% recommended. But not recommended display here, you just can adjust whatever percent you want, 100, 120%, whatever. You just can set up this. That's all. Now Disble program at startup. For this, because startup time, any app open that time, computer need little bit time extra. That's mean that time computer will become little bit slow. So for this solution, you just right click on the taskbar and click the task manager and click the startup here, and you select which one you don't like to see when open your computer at starter point. So here just click, you see one Microsoft Drive enable, just you click here and make it disable. That's all. Which one you like enable, you just keep enable. Which one you don't like, you just give disable. That will be finished. Disable user account control. Again we go search box, write user account control. You see here is level high, so I keep here down. Okay, yes. Again we go search box and right here file explorer option, click here, file explorer option will be open. Just click on view, then you go down here, hide extension for unknown file types, here uncheck, and show hide files folder and driver, check here. Go a little bit down, you see here hide protected operating system files. If not recommended, you just uncheck. If recommended, just keep it check. That's all. Okay, just to go search box and write restore point, click restore point, system protection selected, local disk system protection select here, configure. Now turn on system protection, click here, this keep on little bit above 1. Okay, then create my first restore point. Create. The restore point was created successfully. Okay, close. Okay. Disble login system. This for Windows 10 Pro and Enterprise. Let's see. First we Windows key plus R. We write here gp edit dot msc, enter. Then we go and make it big. computer configuration, click here. Then click administrative templates, click here. Then click control panel. Then go to personalization, double click here. After you come on the right side, you see do not display the log screen. Here is not configured, not configured. If you want to enable, you just double click here. After then you make it enable. Left side you see not configured, enable, disable. Whatever you like. If you want don't log screen, you make it disable. If you want to log screen, you make it enable. Then next you follow the instruction, it will be okay. Speed up shutdowns. Now we go search box, write rigid registry editor, start from first HK local machine. You click here, then you go to system. After that you come little bit down, current control set. We click here. After that we click here. Then we call, you see right side, wait to kill service. The wait to kill service, we will double click here. After we see value data is 5000, we should do the key here 2000. After that okay. Okay. We go back. We go now HK card user. We click here. Then we go control panel. After that we come little bit downside. We go desktop. After that we go down, scroll down. Here. Now here we come. Then we right click. New string value. New string value. Already make one folder. Then this folder we change. New folder already make. The new folder we give one name. Wait to kill app timeout. Wait to kill app timeout. Enter. Now double click here, open it and give value data 2000. Click OK. Again right click, make new string value, new value, hang app timeout. enter, and click it, double click it, open, then value give 2000. Okay. Now again right click here, string value, new, already make one folder, this give folder name auto intax. Enter, double click, open it, and give value data you want. Now okay, finish.